Franco.
I need your loving, so fresh, so clean. Love me in and out, I'm feeling lean.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Welcome to Tay's Travel Vlogs. My name is Axel the narrator, and we will be spending our time together over the next 7 days, accompanying Tay and some of her family on a trip to Dubai. In order to arrive in the City of Gold, they travelled 13 hours on an Emirates flight, business class if you must know the intricate details. If you know Tay, then you already know how this flight went. She fell asleep the moment she sat down. Between naps, she somehow managed to eat all 4 meals that were provided and binge-watch the entire second season of Abbott Elementary. Not a bad start to the adventure, right?
Thank you.
Welcome to Dubai. Hi, thank you.
We in Dubai.
Short flight, yeah? You all feel jet lag? No? You're good? How was Emirates? Perfect?
Eating every 2 seconds.
Nice. I hope you all had a nice flight from the US to Dubai. So, welcome to Dubai once again. Happy to see you all here, safe. And right now, we're going to begin our whole excursion. It's going to be an amazing excursion, God willing. Okay? So, myself, my name is Muhammad Ajnas Abdullah. It's a very long name. You can call me AJ.
AJ.
Okay?
How you get AJ from that name?
Most of my people are from Howard or Hampton. So they don't call me Muhammad Ajnas Abdullah. They just call me AJ. How do we say hi in Arabic?
Oh, Raj taught us that. My student taught me.
We say marhaba.
Marhaba.
Marhaba. To say how are you, we say كيف الحال. كيف الحال. كيف الحال. كيف الحال. That's it. Now how do you say thank you? How do you say thank you? Thank you.
Thank you.
You say shukran.
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 What about bye-bye?
Peace out.
Peace out. We say ma'asalama. Ma'asalama. So these are the few important words to use in this country. Try using these words as much as possible. When somebody helps you to open a door or something, serves you food, try using shukran, mainly thank you. So you can use it in this country, when you travel to any other country, as well as when you go back to the US, you can use these words to flex in front of your friends. Okay?
After a smooth landing and a quick drive through the city, the ladies finally made it to their home away from home. Voco Dubai, part of the IHG family. Sleek, modern, and right in the heart of the city. And let's not forget, location, location, location. Voco sits right in the heart of Dubai. You step outside and everything, from shopping to sightseeing, is just minutes away. Now it's time to show you all the room. Tay, come over here and say your infamous line.
Room tour.
My roomie Nini and I stayed in a deluxe room which came with a safe, a fridge, a tub, and the most amazing shower. When I tell y'all that I took a shower at least 3 times a day, the water pressures alone went crazy. And then we had a bidet. We had a bidet, y'all. And tell me why I tried to use it and it got real messy. Like, I did not know what I was doing. Let's just say I'm gonna need a tutorial the next time I use one of those. We also had a mirror, a TV, and 2 beds, of course, for me and my roomie. And then the view from our room was of the city, which was really beautiful, especially at night.
Wow. I step away for one bathroom break, and suddenly Tay's running the whole show. Remind me who's supposed to be the narrator here. Anyway, after dropping their bags off at the hotel, the first stop was food. The ladies headed to Qalqiliya buffet restaurant, ready to get their first real taste of Dubai.
We just had some good food. I had some butter chicken with some type of rice. It was so good. 10 out of 10. Now we're about to go to the Palm. Yes. That's AJ, our tour guide.
Hey yo, what's up?
Hey.
What you all doing back home? Come to Dubai.
Come to Dubai.
You're now tuned into the people's DJ, the one and only DJ Arlo.
Te amo, she says to me. I hear pain in her voice. Then we dance underneath the candelabra. She takes the lead. That's when I saw it in her eyes. It's over. And she said, Te amo. Then she put her hand around my waist. Told her no, she cried, Te amo. Told her I'm not gonna run away. Let me go. I saw you to cry. I asked you why. I said, Te amo. Somebody tell me what she said. Don't it mean I love you? Think it means I love you. Don't it mean I love you? Te amo, te amo. She's scared to breathe.
Oh, now let's talk about the Palm, officially known as Palm Jumeirah. This isn't just an island. It's a man-made masterpiece shaped like a palm tree, stretching out into the Arabian Gulf. Each frond is lined with luxury homes and resorts, and the trunk connects it all back to the city. It's calm, breathtaking. Yeah, I'm done talking. Go ahead, Tay. Take it in.
A few moments later.
Hey y'all, so once we left the view, we ended up going back to our hotel. We went to the pool for a little bit and then we got hungry. So we left and we went out on the strip in front of our hotel. This is the view at night. It's really beautiful. It has a lot of lights. It's giving Dubai city vibes. For dinner, we decided to get KFC. We got the chicken bucket. We went back to the hotel, ate, vibed, and got ready for the next day. Does anybody else try KFC when they go to a different country? Comment down below.
The next day.
Good morning, y'all. So it's day 2 for us, and we are getting some breakfast before we head out to our excursions for today. Today we're going to be visiting the largest mall in Dubai, and we're going to be going to the tallest building in the world, I believe. So we're just getting some breakfast before we do that.
You're now tuned into the people's DJ, the one and only DJ Arlo.
Te amo, te amo, she says to me. I hear pain in her voice. Then we danced underneath the candelabra. She takes the lead. That's when I saw it in her eyes. It's over. And she said, Te amo. I love you. The only meaning I love, te amo, she's scared to breathe. I hold your hand and got no choice.
Y'all, it is so hot in Dubai. It's literally like 108 degrees right now, but it's beautiful. The architecture is beautiful. We are currently at the King's Palace. We can only go but so far, but yeah, this is what it looks like. I just want to say that I miss making my YouTube videos so much. I know I be saying that all the time. Oh, I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna come back. But I just been trying to get my life together, you guys. I recently just started a new job, so I'm really excited about that. So hopefully now that everything is settled with that, I have more time to dedicate to creating my content. Right now I'm really big on the travel vlogs, but you know, if there's any other videos that you guys would like to see from me, just let me know. Look at my mother. Don't know how to act.
Saffron, okay? Saffron is actually coming from Iran, the best quality. The second one from Spain, and number 3 from India, Kashmir. Saffron you can use in tea, in coffee, in rice, in milk, in paella risotto like Spanish Italian dishes, but mostly we use it in Arabic coffee and chai tea. Why the people using a lot of the saffron? You know what's the reason behind of the saffron? This is all the benefits of the saffron, which is good for blood circulating, immune system, for pregnancy, migraine, cholesterol, antibiotic, antioxidant, like more than 150 plus benefits. But the second thing, flour never down. If it's coming down the flour, it's not good quality. It should be floating top and change the color yellow. This is the real quality of side. And expiry in 5 to 6 years, you can keep it in your home. No expiry date. In normal temperature you can keep it, not in refrigerator. Okay? This is about the saffron we have, the king of the spices in the market. After the saffron, we have some organic tea, which is 3 kinds of green tea, red rose, jasmine, pineapple is all together mixed, which is good for relaxation, for energy. This is the organic green tea. Organic green tea, rose, jasmine.
That do smell good.
The second one, we have the hibiscus tea, which is good for the high and low blood pressure and reduce the cholesterol. Hibiscus, the best. Okay.
Hands up.
Like this.
This one.
Because the Arabic people, they have a long dresses. They keep in the floor the charcoal.
And last one, close the knife.
You gotta get the chocha.
Staying on the stay here and top of the charcoal, okay? When the smell go in the body, very nice smell coming, okay? They're removing the bad smell, like camel smell, okay? If you have any kind of bad smell in your home, Like fish smell, eating smell. If you want to remove that kind of smell, you can use this one in your home. Sandalwood we call it here, okay? But I would recommend this one, the original one, okay? This is the fixed chocolate, the barcode is here, okay? We have this one, this is the local companies they are making here, okay? But this is the marked fixed chocolate.
What's the difference?
This is the original one. This is not coming melt. This is coming quickly melt. Okay, this is the original one. Which
one is on TikTok? This one's on TikTok.
Suleiman, you glass le lo.
Shakira. Oh, thank you.
Everything we have here, matter is here.
That's cute. If only we can wrap it like that tomorrow. Or Sunday.
See,
He's ready. Gift to me.
Beyonce.
No, here. You want to put DesertSafari Mosque, you can wear this one, okay?
I got it.
Looks like it's upside down. Turn around, T.
One second. Okay, you're going to go on the face, right? One second, sir. Sorry. Yeah, please. Yeah, do that. Karo.
Beyonce.
बहुत सारे सवाल ज़्यादा सब स्मॉल साइज देना फिर से वो बंद करना फिर से आप कहाँ इधर आएगा ना ओके हाँ जल्दी करो लास्ट वन
1 gram
very sexy now. No? हमारे पास वो खत्म हो गया कल हमने ऑर्डर दिया अभी तक भी नहीं है वो उसके ऊपर लगा के गुच्ची बलून and rose vanilla. You want different rose kazan and rose vanilla?
That smells good too.
Very sweet. Madawi.
This gold ring, it weighs 63.856 kg in weight.
You see the Guinness World Record CT right next to it?
Where's our videographer?
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid at me 150. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see why your heart's icy. Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me, I too fly, I get burned, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, she just wanna dance and tease.
After lunch, Tay and her family took a shower, changed, and began heading to their 6th stop of the day, the Dubai Mall.
Dance and tease. bend over, hung up and squeeze. You used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to get that door. And I know, you want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get down. Before that we a chill with Noel and party, a down and party. Yeah, the body was so clean. You did a weird version.
Hey y'all, so we're at the Dubai Mall and we're getting Pandora. I'm finally about to get a Pandora bracelet because I want to start getting travel charms. So I'm going to get my first bracelet from Dubai and I'm going to get my first charm from Dubai.
How do I know if it goes on my bracelet? You say you want to do it right now. About how many characters can we have on the back of it?
So that is the highest building in the world, and we're about to go on an excursion up there. It's called At the Top, which is located inside of the Dubai Mall.
Next up was At the Top, Burj Khalifa, aka the moment the girls went literally above Dubai. And listen, the line long, like very long. Turns out the girls picked the perfect day to visit because it was Indian Independence Day. So the city was packed with tourists and families celebrating.
Better get up, Felicia. We're about to get up. Felicia, get up, because we're about to start getting up. It's going to take you a minute to get up. Hold on to the rail and don't touch that side of the elevator. Exactly. Oh, God, I just can't. Oh, watch your head. Oh, God, I don't care about none of that. Just, Taylor was filming me, and I'm so sick. Yeah. That was
I've been knowing you for long enough, damn, I need you right now. You can take your time, don't have to rush, this might take us a while, yeah. I left all the doors and
Fun fact, the Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world, standing over 2,700 feet high with more than 160 floors.
but you ain't even seen my dark side. It's reserved for you only. So baby, do it right, do me right. We can go over time. We can move fast, then rewind. When you put your body on mine and collide, collide. It could be one of those nights where we don't turn off the lights. Wanna see your body on mine and collide, collide. Baby, it's all yours if you want me. All yours if you want me. Put it down if you want me tonight. Say it's all yours if you want me. All yours if you want me. Put it down if you want me. Let's collide.
Waking up, she on it. Good love in the morning. Get on top, my cojones. I pleasure you for the moment. This don't come with no warranty. You want it but can't afford it. My world is different than yours. Your opinion of me is glory. Glorifying in all these forms. Back to future and DeLorean. You ain't used to feeling this important. Cars imported, girls imported. Insubordinate, get deported. Baby, check my inventory. Got a whole lot in store for you. Birkin bags, purple tags. I can put a whole lot of shit on blast. Vera Wang.
The next day.
Period. The ladies popped out and they all white today for brunch at the Saffron.
Cause I can back it up. She know I'm the shit. So baby, back it up.
We can go over time. We can move fast, then rewind. When you put your body on mine and collide, collide. It could be one of those nights where we don't turn off the lights. Wanna see your body on mine and collide, collide. Baby, it's all yours if you want me. All yours if you want me. Put it down if you want me tonight. Say it's all yours if you want me.
take chocolate, fine, fine, oh, bucket, watch your love for like it, why not more, your body, chocolate, bush it, yeah, imade, double osile, kilo fe, why now, my lady, tell me what's in your body, I'm a damn easy, baby, and you want to give me control, even want to get hurt, I'ma make up my eye, I'ma need that can you, I go my eye, I'ma need that can you, maybe, do maybe, I don't money there.
Bottle service. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tiffy. Happy birthday to you.
It's day 4 in Dubai, and today's stop is one of the most iconic experiences in the city. The ladies are visiting the famous Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. Now, of course, the ladies came prepared. Visiting the mosque means dressing modestly and respectfully. Long sleeves, covered hair, the whole look. And while you can purchase outfits at the mosque, Tay and the ladies already had theirs ready to go, straight from the Malcolm Shabazz Harlem Market back home on 116th Street in Harlem. Dubai style, with a little Harlem swag. The moment they walked in, everything slowed down. The details, the chandeliers, the marble work. Every corner looked like art.
to the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. Right now, welcome to Abu Dhabi. Right now you're inside the 23rd largest mosque in the whole world. The mosque has a capacity to occupy how many worshippers at the same time? 50,000 worshippers at the same time and 40,000 visitors at the same time. That's why they've created an underground tunnel, so it doesn't feel like you're actually packed inside. At the same time, those who are inside will be actually circulating like a water flow. They've created a system like that. The area where we stood first for pictures, that area is utilized for prayers. The area where we're inside, this is also utilized for prayers. Right now, as of a tourist experience, these areas are only open during the Friday prayers, which is called Jummah. And right after this wall, it's actually the women's prayer hall. Women and men doesn't pray together. I'm gonna give all the facts regarding the mosque right now. If we have anything regarding Muslim, Islamic, everything, we can discuss inside the vehicle so we can save our time, right? Right now, from here, when you look straight, you see a half dome over there with some golden wave. Do you see that? With some golden wave? You see the golden wave? The first direction is towards Mecca, which is in Saudi Arabia. That's the main focal point of Muslims while worshiping. And that gold is the only gold which is real 24 karat gold inside the whole grand mosque. That's how we decide how to do the...
Hi, my sisters.
What's up, guys? What you all doing in the States? Come to Abu Dhabi, experience the mosque. See you all soon in Dubai.
Hey.
In every place, in every face. Tell me, do you see it? She's living her life. Even if she acts like she don't want the limelight. But if you do it, she lives her life. She calls her paparazzi, then she acts surprised.
See, you all see Rakesh? Rakesh tripping with Sugar Mama.
Hey, the best cameraman! Woo!
Flashing lights is all she ever wants to do. Begging on her knees to be popular. Bags her dreams to be popular. Kill anyone to be popular. Sell her soul to be popular. Popular, just to be popular. Everybody scream 'cause she popular. She mainstream 'cause she popular. Let her be free 'cause she popular. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her.
Gotta own it, alright. You can't take my soul without a fucking fight.
I know what she needs. She just wants to play. I know what she needs. Give her a taste, run it back to me. Put it in the face, make it seem to be every night. She breaks inside. Flashing lights is all she ever wants is begging on her knees to be popular. That's her dream to be popular. Kill anyone to be popular. Sell her soul to be popular. Popular, just to be popular.
Hey, go get the calculator.
Get the calculator.
See, to be honest, 165 every day.
The next day.
Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Daddy told me she don't pop. Daddy goes on me, she don't pop up. Get money, I'm keeping it. I'm getting can, I'm keeping it. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Daddy goes on me, she don't pop up. Popular, born to be popular. She ain't that 20 mil, but she run it up. She can never be broke, cause she popular. Tell her what came on for the followers. Begging on the knees to be popular. That's a dream to be popular. Kill anyone to be popular. Sell that song to be popular. Popular, just to be popular. Everybody scream cause she popular. She mainstream cause she popular. Never be free cause she popular.
أهلين، اسمي محمود، شغال هنا في دبي في البداير. ببيع عطور عربية. طبعا اتشرفت بمعرفتهم جدا. هم عجبهم حاجة اسمها عنبر عود، دوت نوع من أنواع العود هنا، وهي اختارت ازازة دلوقتي وازازة رولر، والازازة فاضية فأنا هصب لها عادي يعني. هختارها. It's full.
Can we get it in English now?
English. My name is Mahmoud. I am from Egypt. I am work here in Dubai, in Badair. I am very happy to see them and nice to meet you guys. And they like something like oud, like Arabic. We say amber oud here. And she chose this bottle, smallest bottle. She can use it by ruler like this in the hand here. And this is 100% oil. Bye bye.
In every place, in every face.
Oh, we getting the experience. Oh my God. We getting you all right? I'm glad I found my medicine. Oh my God. Let's see if we get that back. I want to see that.
It's done.
Oh, that was better.
This is a gym for 3 weeks.
Yeah.
This is the gym for 3 weeks. Oh. I made it. Woo. Woo.
Yeah, go.
Hello, my name is Eunice. Dubai has been amazing. The beautiful desert, the people, the food, the culture. Come visit Dubai. It's amazing.
The next day.
And just like that, it's the final day in Dubai. To close out the trip, the ladies decided to do it big. Yacht party vibes, beautiful weather, and jet cars waiting by the water like something straight out of a movie. Over the last few days, there were long flights, luxury views, unforgettable food and memories that will last a lifetime. From the Palm to the Burj Khalifa, late nights, early mornings, and every laugh in between. This trip became more than just a vacation. It became one of those moments you look back on years later and smile about all over again. And what better way to end a Dubai girls trip than speeding across the water with the city skyline behind you? Dubai, you were beautiful until next time.
So, this is the life that I have living in Dubai. I'm on a yacht. So amazing, Dubai. This is the life you live. I mean, you work hard, you play harder. Life is traveling.
We getting A-Rap money. We getting A-Rap money.
it. My stands are tall back against the wall. And don't stop my girl, dirty walks up. Do the dirty walk, do the dirty walk. Watch out the girl, never do the dirty.
Hi everybody, how you all doing? My name is Mohammed Ajnas. You can call me AJ. We did tour for Taylor Max and family for a week. We've been having an amazing time in the country. Thank you. It was my pleasure to host you guys in this country. We did desert, we did yacht, we did all the party things, we did amazing time in the country. You can look on to her YouTube video, how much fun they were having in Dubai, the city of dreams. If you want to have the same experience in the country, hit us in the link and feel free to search us in Instagram, Caribou Tourism, CARIBOU Tourism. You gotta see a lot of people like Taylor Max having fun in Dubai. If you want to take care of yourself in this country, like your own family, we always here for you guys. See you guys in Dubai. Bye bye. It's been very amazing, to meet you all. Such a happy soul. God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. Such a happy soul.